Vehicle number 1.
1966 Dodge Coronet 440 priced at $13,300. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is turquoise. Interior color is turquoise. This Dodge Coronet is a 4-door model with a 318 engine. The odometer shows 70,791 miles. The car comes with original tires and 14-inch hubcaps. No trades. Serious buyers only.
Vehicle number 2.
The 1955 Olds Super 88, priced at $7,400. Exterior color is green. Interior color is green. The engine runs well and has headers and dual exhaust installed. Condition is very good.
Vehicle number 3.
The 1963 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $4,370. Mileage, 51,500 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is blue. Interior color is blue. This car has good mechanicals, but the body and structure need restoration.
Vehicle number 4.
The 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Series 500, priced at $9,560. Mileage, 76,400 miles. Manual transmission. Exterior color is blue. Interior color is beige. This 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Series 500 is a hardtop with a blue exterior and tan vinyl interior. It features a 3-speed manual transmission and a 2.4 liters air-cooled 6-cylinder engine. The car comes with 14-inch American racing wheels, crank windows, a Pioneer radio, and an engine in the rear with a front trunk. Export is possible, and commercial sale with tax is available.
Vehicle number 5.
The 1962 Ford Ranchero, priced at $10,700. Mileage, 6,200 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is purple. Interior color is black. This Ford Ranchero has a rebuilt 302 engine, and the paint was done 2 years ago.
Vehicle number 6.
The 1963 Pontiac Parisian priced at $7,400. Exterior color is black. Interior color is red. This 1963 Pontiac Parisian is powered by a 283 engine in perfect condition. It's registered, insured, and drives great on the road. The car is quite clean for its age.
Vehicle number 7.
1963 Mercury Meteor, priced at $12,800. Exterior color is black, interior color is gray. This 1963 Mercury Meteor features a 260 cubic inch engine with 44,000 miles. The car is in exceptional condition and turns heads wherever it goes. Brakes, engine, tires, transmission, and windows are all in very good condition.
Vehicle number 8.
The 1964 Chrysler 300, priced at $7,400. Mileage, 49,000 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is turquoise. Interior color is turquoise. This Chrysler 300 is roadworthy and running, though it could use a good carburetor cleaning. It features Mustang wheels, newer sport tires, and a 90% perfect interior. Recent upgrades include aftermarket exhaust, new spark plugs, plug wires, and a newer battery. The paint is faded but has a nice vintage look. The car is located in Kingston.
Vehicle number 9.
The 1964 Ford Galaxy 500 XL priced at $12,500. Mileage, 49,000 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is red. Interior color is red. This Galaxy Fastback is powered by a 390 engine. It's a classic American ride, lovingly restored and driven only on sunny days. Major restorations include a rebuilt engine and transmission, a thrush muffler system, a record radiator, and a new starter and alternator. The car has been stored every winter with a cover. The interior, including the headliner, carpet, and seats, has been recently completed. The car has had 2 owners, and it's now time to pass it on to someone who will enjoy it.
Vehicle number 10.
The 1966 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $13,700. Mileage, 28,800 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is gold. Interior color is tan. This low-mileage California girl has participated in parades and has always been kept indoors. Powered by a 390 V8 engine with automatic transmission, the car features power steering, brakes, windows, dual exhaust, fender skirts, and 2 sets of hubcaps. 1 set of Thunderbird spoke hubcaps.
Vehicle number 11.
The 1957 Pontiac Pathfinder Deluxe Laurentian, priced at $14,800. Mileage, 76,600 miles. Manual transmission. Exterior color is turquoise. Interior color is turquoise. This 1957 Pontiac is a 4-door sedan with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The original interior is still in good condition, though the fabric is starting to wear thin. Recent work includes new white wall radial tires, new front suspension and steering, and many new engine compartment components, including the battery, wiring, starter, generator, master cylinder, brakes, and radiator. The sale includes many spare parts, such as chrome trim, a hood, a trunk lid, bumper parts, and interior pieces.
Vehicle number 12.
The 1969 Ford LTD 2-door, priced $7,000. Mileage, 76,000 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is red. Interior color is black. This 1969 Ford features a strong-running 390 cubic inch engine with a mild cam, recent MSD electronic ignition, and an Edelbrock carburetor. The car has been with the same owner for 30 years, now deserves a new owner.
Vehicle number 13.
The 1963 Plymouth Fury Sport, priced $4,500. Mileage, 58,000 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is black. Interior color is red. This 1963 Plymouth Fury is a one-owner car that has recently moved to Texas. The car is located in Hebron, Maryland, with the title signed out and ready for a new buyer. It's one of about 900 made, featuring a 318 engine and a rare push-button transmission. It has a power bench seat and other features, including AC and heat. The car has original bodywork, aside from a spray paint job by a previous owner. Floors are in mint condition. The car also has a new radiator, intake, carburetor, alternator, and original seats. The trunk is spacious, with brand new front tires, less than 15 miles on them, and American racing rims.
Vehicle number 14.
The 1963 Chrysler Newport base model, priced at $12,000. Mileage, 113,000 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is green. Interior color is green. This Chrysler Newport sedan is in excellent original condition. All chrome, stainless, and paint appear to be original. The car is roadworthy and has had 30,000 miles put on it over the past decade. It features a 361 V8 engine with a push-button automatic transmission. Recent updates include control arm bushings, front-end parts, and a modern U-joint on the drive shaft. This car rides very well.
Vehicle number 15.
The 1970 Buick Skylark Coupe 2D, priced at $8,000. Mileage, 89,000 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is red. Interior color is black. This solid Wyoming car runs and drives well. It has a new fuel pump, water pump, radiator, and tires. The engine has a tick, which seems to be coming from the driver's side valve cover.
Vehicle number 16.
The 1961 Pontiac Tempest, priced at $5,500. Mileage, 54,000 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is blue. Interior color is red. This Pontiac Tempest runs and drives fine. It has a trophy 4-cylinder engine located in the rear of the car with independent rear suspension. The car has many new parts but needs some TLC, including brake work. It stops but could stop better, and a new headliner that needs to be installed. The car is currently on the road and driven occasionally. It has a clean New York transferable registration and is located in Napanoch, New York.
Vehicle number 17.
The 1948 Lincoln Continental, priced at $10,500. Mileage, 68,000 miles. This 1948 Lincoln Continental two-door hardtop runs and drives. It features push-button doors, push-button start, and power windows. The car has been fitted with a 428 Cobra jet engine, matching rear end, and automatic transmission, all taken from a 1966 Ford Thunderbird. The car has been converted to a 12-volt system with an alternator. The tires are nearly new, with only a few hundred miles on them. This model is rare, with only 847 Club Coupes, produced in 1948. It was the last year for the Continental before Ford retired the nameplate, which they brought back in 1955 as the Continental Mark II.
Vehicle number 18.
The 1969 Ford Falcon Sport Coupe, priced at $7,500. Mileage, 77,000 miles. Automatic transmission. Exterior color is red. Interior color is red. This 1969 Ford Falcon Sport Coupe has its original interior and all original drivetrain. It has a 206-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. The car has AC, but it is not currently working. The heater core is also bad, but everything else seems to work fine. The car was used as a second vehicle but should be part of a collection. The car underwent a mechanical restoration, and the original parts that were replaced are included. It sat for 12 years, during which time someone stole the battery and spilled battery acid on the passenger fender. visible in the photos.